Before beginning, check the package and verify that the components and parts are present. To install the Lost Flexi two-piece toilet, you will need these tools and materials. Before starting, rotate to remove the old water supply and install a new one. Then turn off the water supply. Apply waterproof primer to drain pipe and the flange. Apply PVC cement to drain pipe and the flange. Insert the flange into drain pipe. Mark screw positions with pencil. And secure the flange with screws. Measure and mark installation positions for T-bolts and mark the other side. Insert T-bolts onto the flange and cover with metal washers. Mark the position of T-bolts with tapes on both sides. Place the toilet bowl on a soft surface to prevent any damage. Then attach a wax ring to the toilet outlet. Now lift the bowl, align the two mounting holes with the flange bolts, and attach it to the flange. Gently press to tightly connect the bowl to the flange. Remove positioning tape on both sides. Now set a level on toilet bowl to ensure toilet bowl is level. Place the plastic washer, metal washer, and nut onto the T-bolt, then tighten them. The T-bolt is too long and needs to be cut. After that, cover it with a cap. Insert the cone washer and bolt through the tank hole. Then secure them with a washer and nut. Screw the rubber gasket onto the flush valve nut. Now attach the toilet tank onto the bowl. From the bottom, place the rubber washer, metal washer, and wing nut, then hand tighten them. Set a level on top of the tank to ensure it's level. Now with the pre-assembled water tank, you just need to install the flush lever. Insert the flush lever through the tank hole, attach a rubber fitting, and tighten by hand. Then attach the chain to the flush lever. Finally, press the lever to confirm it flushes normally. Connect the water supply line to the tank's fill valve nut. The package included an adapter. If necessary, use a fill valve adapter. Then, connect to the water supply. Tighten the water supply line with a wrench. Turn on the water supply. Let the tank fill with water. Check if the tank gasket is leaking. Confirm there is no leakage, then cover the tank lid. Check for leaks with the water supply line. Check for leaks at the toilet floor connection. After ensuring no leaks, apply sealant where the toilet base meets the floor. Toilet tank and bowl installation now complete. First, take out the pre-assembled fittings. Take out the toilet seat. Open the hinge covers. Next, place the seat on the toilet bowl, aligning the hinge holes with the mounting holes. Insert the fittings into the mounting holes and adjust their position. Please make sure the toilet seat is properly aligned with the bowl. Then secure the fittings with a drill or a screwdriver. Last, snap on the hinge covers to complete installation.